Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, again, I'm going to play with makeup. It's going to be another boring makeup video. At the moment, I'm feeling a little bit stuck with ideas, but at the same time, all I want to do is just play with colourful eyeshadows. I don't know what's happening with my hair. I think the reason why I can't think of creative ideas on what videos to film is because I feel like just being creative with makeup, that probably makes no sense, but I just want to play with color. I'm having so much fun doing crazy eye looks, I think just because obviously I've been on Instagram and I'm seeing amazing Instagram artists. Like I said in my other video, I did like a really bright kind of eye. I want to do a bright eye again today. I'm sorry if you guys don't like these kind of looks. I just like being creative and artistic. So the palette I want to use today is the Pinky Rose Bright Lights palette, and I've had this for a really long time. It's got all bright colors in it. So that's what the palette looks like on the inside. It's pretty crazy. We've got some pressed glitters in there as well. To be honest, I've heard some pretty shit reviews saying this palette's not that great. So I'm hoping it's good. I don't know. I really want it to work. It's such a beautiful looking palette. I did use the Center Stage palette a very long time ago, which is more warm colors, and that palette was really shit. I was so disappointed because it's so beautiful to look at. If you guys want me to try out the Center Stage palette again, let me know down below. I might try it with a different technique. Today I'm going to use this with a wet base. I'm going to just put concealer on and not set it down. I've obviously already got my brows done, so now I'm going to go in with my Tarte Shape Tape in light neutral, and I'm just going to spread that over the eye and obviously not set it down. So I do know there is like 100 other videos I could probably do right now, you know, more declutters and stuff like that, but I just really feel like doing makeup, and I guess this is a makeup channel, so why not? I just feel bad that I've done like numerous makeup tutorials in a row, but it is what it is. I would love to hear like your thoughts and what you guys want to see. Like I just want to know what you guys want to watch and want to see on my channel, because I will obviously try to mix it up, but at the moment I'm feeling a bit stuck in terms of what I want to do. I never know if my lighting is too bright or not until I edit the video. So for my brush, I'm going to use my Zoeva 231 Luxe Petite Crease brush, and I'm going to start off with the color Lit, which is the yellow. I'm going to start packing that into the crease. I'm going to grab more of a fluffier brush just to kind of blend out those edges. So because I don't have like a cream shade in that eyeshadow palette, I'm just going to grab my Jeffree Star Thirsty palette, and I'm going to use the color Parched, and I'm just going to blend that like on the brow bone. So far it's seeming all good, but then again I'm applying this straight to a wet base, so I guess we'll find out when we start going in with the other colors and if they're going to stick okay over the yellow. Again, patting it into the crease. I find this method works easier when your base is wet, and then once you pat it you can start like blending it. So today I'm not necessarily copying anyone's kind of look, but I am definitely inspired by Mitchell. I'll put his Instagram down below. He always uses like a yellow kind of like in the crease, and he does like bright colors, so I'll pop him down below. His work is amazing. And again, grabbing a fluffy brush to diffuse the edges. I'm just taking Parched again, which is just the cream, and I'm blending that over the top. So next shade I'm going to take is Pop Rocks, which is the purple, and I'm going to take that same brush that I had the yellow on, and I'm going to focus this lower in the crease, so just right in the socket. I feel like I used to be so much more creative when I started YouTube, and I feel like I want to bring that back. I used to do like fun kind of looks, and I used to do Halloween looks. Now when I do Halloween looks, no one like watches them, so maybe I'll just stick with colourful makeup. Again, I'm gonna pack this on. The purple's definitely more muted once you put it on, probably because it is over the yellow. I'm actually going to mix Becky in with it as well. I'm going to try and put that like in between. Okay, I'm gonna be honest, I'm having a lot of trouble. This was my fear that after the yellow, you know, went on so good because it was such a tacky base, that putting the other colors over it because it's now a dry base, that they wouldn't really work, and that's how I'm feeling. It's just becoming like a muddy mess. I'm not so much worried about like that bit right there because I can clean it up, but like I'm trying to put the pink and the purple and it's just turning very muddy. I might just clean up the edge. I don't know. It is very patchy, like it didn't stick like in the crease, but it stuck on my lid where obviously the wet concealer was. I'm going to take Dreamside as well, just to kind of like put in between, since it's turning like orange anyway. Maybe that will help blend them together, I'm not sure. Okay, so I think this is as much as I can blend it without it getting muddy, because it's already kind of turning muddy. The colors were really struggling to stick. The purple one was probably the worst. It's very patchy. I'm just going to go ahead and do this eye as well. The shadows are very powdery, and some shadows can be powdery and they can work really well, but these ones are so powdery I just feel like they kind of like fall off, and as you blend they disappear, because I wanted this to be like, I don't know, more intense and also not as patchy, because as soon as you start blending you lose all that pigment. I think after buying the Center Stage palette and this one, like unfortunately it's really turned me off buying Pinky Rose products. I was so excited for these. I was expecting them to work better, but they're very underwhelming, I guess. And I love supporting indie brands because I feel like they're definitely more creative in their releases with makeup. Yeah, it just turns out to like a sad purple. I'll start mixing it with the pink again. The pink definitely works better than the purple. I'm going back in with Dreamside just to break up those colors. Okay, so the only tip and kind of trick I can give you guys on making these palettes kind of work is to literally tap on the pigment. Like I've been literally doing this to blend out the edges, but as soon as you go to blend, like you're stuffed, like the pigment's just gonna fall off. So I'm going to cut my crease like I did last time. I'm more doing it this time to save the look, because I'm going to take my Tarte Shape Tape. I'm just going to relax my eye like I'm disappointed in my eyeshadow, and I'm going to let it transfer, and then I'm going to work up here just so my eyeshadow doesn't crease later on. So I've cut out one crease. I've done kind of like a half cut crease. I've left the outer corner. I think I might go in with the color Glitz, which is a shimmer. I'm going to pack this on the lid. Wow, okay, that one is nice. I just realized that this look looks almost the same as the look I did last time. I don't know why I chose that color to put on the lid. It's too late now. Oh well. Okay, I'm going to put, I think, the green glitter over the top anyway. Or maybe that one, Cupcake. Let's try Cupcake because it's like multicolored. I might use my finger for this because it is a glitter. I'm gonna put some of the green. I don't know how I feel about that. I feel like I've got so much glitter in my eye. I'm going to curl my lashes. This look didn't really like turn out how I envisioned. I guess like we're always so hard on ourselves. Like I was really, I don't know, expecting to do something amazing, and I just feel like this is like meh, I don't know. I'm not doing eyeliner today. I'm just going to put on some lashes. I'm going to wear my GG lashes because they're super dramatic and I just feel like they always fit with a dramatic eye look. I'll have them linked down below if you guys want to check them out. I thought maybe doing eyeliner with glitter probably wasn't a good idea because I probably would have got frustrated because the liner wasn't smooth. So we're just going in with lashes. Okay, so my eyes are done for now. To make this look a little bit different, I probably will use some different colors on the lower lash line. But for the moment, I'm going to put on my base makeup. I'm not even sure if you guys will find any interest in watching this bit because I don't know if I've really got any new products to try out. I'm going to use the Jeffree Star Liquid Frost in Canary Bling underneath my foundation today. I think I put way too much. Oh my god, this is such a mistake. What the hell? For foundation, I'm going to use the Maybelline Dream Satin Liquid. I used this the other day and I liked it. I don't really know how it wears on my skin because I didn't wear it for that long, but appearance wise, it looks pretty gorgeous on the skin. Before I do that, I'm taking a bit of Porefessional. I just need to put a little bit here. I almost forgot because I've got like monster pores on my face. I'm going to take my Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer. This one's in the colour Light Ivory. Again, I only just tried this out the other day and loved it. Such a nice concealer. It's got quite good coverage to it as well. I just really like it. It's so smooth. If you guys are Australian and you want to get like Wet n Wild stuff, you can get it from Glam Radar. I'll put the website down below if you guys want to, I don't know, pick it up. But it's so good that you can get Wet n Wild stuff here now. I'm going to take my ABH contour kit and I'm going to use a banana powder out of this. I feel like today is not my day because my eyes are so irritated. I reckon it's like the glitter. Like I reckon the glitter's gotten into my eyes and they're just so itchy at the moment. So as soon as I put this on, take some nice pictures, I'm going to take it off. I'm going to take my Rimmel translucent powder as usual and just set down my smile line so they don't crease, and I'll do my forehead as well. While I let that bake, I'm going to take, what is this? The Lancome Tintadol Ultra Wear Foundation Stick. This one's like a really dark shade. It's in the color 6 Beige. I'm just going to use this to contour my nose. I really like using this because it's very creamy. I feel like I'm in a mood today, like not necessarily a bad mood, like I'm just feeling a bit antisocial, like I don't feel like talking to anyone. I'm happy right here, just kind of doing my makeup. For me, like I feel like I'm an introvert, extrovert kind of person. I love socializing with people, I love hanging out with people, but I can get socially drained really quickly and then I'm just like, nah, I don't want to see anyone. I'm sure you guys can relate, like working all week and, you know, always socializing and everything, and then on the weekend you're like, leave me alone, I'm all good. I'm going to use the leftover translucent powder and put it on the sides of my nose just to clean up the contour a little bit. I'm going to dust away the bake around my mouth just so it doesn't leave like a white cast or anything, and on my forehead as well. And I'll set my face with my usual powder because I'm boring. I've got like heaps of leftover lasagna in the oven and I think that's what I'm going to enjoy after filming. And now I'll dust off the bake around my nose. Taking my Hourglass Luminous Bronze Light Bronzer. What does perfect even mean? I'm going back in with my ABH contour kit. I'm going to mix these two shades here. For blush, I'm going to try out this Bare Minerals Gen Nude blush, and this one's in the colour Pink Me Up. That's what it looks like. I don't think I've used this. Pretty sure I haven't. That's a nice blush. Really nice colour. Oh my god. I'm going to clean up my contour line. For highlighter, I'm going to try out this Mecca Max Glow Powder and it's in Bronze Heat. So there's two shades in here. I'm just going to try out this one. That's amazing. That's a nice highlighter. I'm going to take the same highlighter and just put that on the inner corner. and a little bit on the brow bone as well. Okay, we're almost done. Just wipe this away. We'll do the lower lash line and then we'll do the lips. I do have a new lip product. Like, I don't know if it's actually new, but it's new to me and I haven't used it before. It's one of the Tarte lip paints, so I'm going to use one of those. So for my lower lash line, I'm going to start off with Punky. I'm also going to take the colour Smash just to blend out those edges. I really wish I used that green like on my lid because that would have been like insane. And for my waterline, I'm going to take the Jeffree Star Velour Liquid Lipstick in Venus Flytrap, which is this really bright green. All of Jeffree Star's liquid lips are eye safe, so it's all good. And last but not least, I've got the Tarte Tartist lip paint, and this one's in the colour Bestie. So the lip is a little bit darker than I did expect, so I'm just going to go in with one of my Australis Girl Boss lip creams. This one's in the colour Inspire. I've never used this one before. It's kind of a similar colour, it's just a little bit lighter. I honestly love these. As you can tell, I've used them like in my last few videos. They're just so comfortable. I love the colors. This one is definitely not as light as Harmony, which is the other one I've thrashed and used heaps of times. Okay guys, so this is the finished makeup look. Super wearable. You can wear it down to the supermarket, grocery store, when you're doing the gardening, when you're taking a shit, all that kind of stuff. But overall, I actually did have a lot of fun doing this makeup. I love doing creative fun makeup, like I said before. I think this lower lash line is inspiring me to do just like a green look, because those green colors, I do have to say, they look awesome. As for the other colors, like, I honestly don't know. These palettes are really fiddly to work with. They don't always like work how you want them to. I really like the liquid lip in the waterline. Such an awesome color. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video and it wasn't too boring. I'm just lacking a bit of video diversity at the moment. It's fine. We'll work through it, and hopefully I'll see you guys really soon in my next video. Bye.